Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing and doing a tutorial on the new Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. I picked up only two. I picked up the Sapphire Obsession and the Emerald Obsession palette. Yeah, she came out with like 5 different new Obsession palettes. So I obviously picked out the one that I was most interested in. Packaging is similar to her previous Obsession palettes. They're really small, sleek, compact. And this is what the Sapphire one looks like. It's beautiful. You have like all different kinds of blues in here. Specifically this one's just beautiful. I mean, look at that. It's just gorgeous. The emerald one. This one's beautiful as well. You have like very unique shades of green in here. Especially the khaki one. I really like that. As well as this. So, they're all available in Sephora all over UAE at the moment. You can also purchase them on shophudabeauty.com. You can also buy it from Cult Beauty if you're living in the UK or where you don't have Sephora or where they don't sell Huda Beauty. I think Cult Beauty basically delivers all over. So they're retailing for 147 dirhams over here. The eyeshadows are super creamy. I mean, they're very good value for the money. Instead of purchasing like single eyeshadows, you can go with like these mini palettes because they're like more affordable, because you get like a lot of shades in here of different colors. I mean if you don't have blues, you have like all different kinds of blues in here. This palette is totally worth the money. I mean, for 147 dirhams, it's actually pretty good. And the green one is really unique. You have like really unique shades of green in here. They also have a topaz and a ruby and amethyst one. The topaz one is like very everyday, so I didn't pick that up. There's also ruby, which is like a lot of reds in there. And they also have amethyst, which is like a lot of purples. I'm not a big fan of purples in general. So all in all, these eyeshadow palettes are good for the money. They're very pigmented. And if you use this, you don't really need to use Fix Plus or anything else with this shadow. But Fix Plus just amplifies it to a different level. Now, I have this particular shade. This just looks like silver, but it has different reflects of glitter in there. There's like pink. It's like dual chromey. Most of these eyeshadows in this palette is like really dual chromey. Really nice. They're not just plain bland boring. They're quite interesting palettes, I think. I wasn't really into the previous Obsession palettes that she came out with. I think I only got one, the mauve one, and other than that, I think these ones are like really cool because they're like really colorful and fun. Yeah, so that's about it. I did this look using the Sapphire palette, so let's move over to the tutorial.